Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul over here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or buy me a coffee, link is in the description. Guys, thank you so much for the support. Today's coffee comes from a new supporter called Kevin, and Kevin says, as we head into Christmas holidays, here are two videos I think you will like. The first video I have reacted to, and you guys can go check that out on the channel. The second video is a Christmas prank for UNICEF by Ylvis. Let's go.
Vi står utenfor Sten og Strøm i Oslo, og nå skal disse nissene inn og stjele så mye som de kan for å samle inn penger til UNICEF. Indeed.
You're gonna steal for UNICEF?
Det er 1 time vi har på oss, og byttet vårt det blir det vi klarer å få ut gjennom de dørene etter den timen.
Så da sier jeg bare, legg vekk kort, kontanter og
Of course Calle is there.
nisseskjegg og stjelesekker. Kom igjen.
Er du pave?
Sankt Nikolas selvfølgelig.
Saint Nicholas. The original.
God jul.
Bro, they're stealing for UNICEF. This is Robin Hood. 1,399. Is this Hamleys? You guys have Hamleys in Norway? Why? Why did Calle go straight there?
Har du tenkt å kjøpe det, eller?
Nei.
Nei.
Skal du ha det?
Ja, bare se litt på det.
Would you like to buy that? No. Are you gonna buy it? No. But I'm gonna take it.
Kristin, where's the shoes?
God jul.
Do you?
Kommer på lørdag nå. Skal bare forberede oss litt. Men da snakkes vi på lørdag da. Ja.
Does she think he works there? She thinks he works there. Wow, 12,000.
Jeg skulle gjerne hatt noen hansker.
Kunne du ha holdt denne her litt grann? Jeg er så redd for at noen skal ta det. Det her er jo veldig fine hansker, tenker jeg. Ja, det er ikke ekte pels.
Er det kasjmir oppi?
Vi tenker litt grann på det, så kommer vi tilbake.
Hei, har du tenkt å betale for det? Hvilke hansker?
Det er ingenting, det er ting vi hadde med oss.
Ting vi har med oss?
Ja. Jeg tror vi bare kan gå.
Ja, det... Nei.
Ja, du har behov for en...
Finally somebody caught them.
Det er ryddig. Det er ryddig greier.
They actually got... Oh! That was awesome! He was tripped by an old lady. An unsung heroine. They must know this is a joke. He's looking at the camera constantly, he must know. Wow. Why are we laughing at the crime? Wow. Wow. He was tripped by a lady. Wow. Goodness, man. The unsung heroine. Man. I never thought I would laugh at someone committing a crime. Oh man, Ylvis, these guys are crazy. They literally just looted a store, but I think they actually paid for it afterwards. Obviously, they're not going to take that, but I think they match, like whatever we steal, we're going to match for charity. I think that's the whole idea. So if we manage to steal 6,500, we're going to match that to charity and we're going to pay that or give back the items to the store. But great video. This is definitely something that would go viral, and you know, I really appreciate Kevin for showing me this. So thank you, Kevin, and I hope Ylvis keeps doing these things. These are all videos from 8 years ago. I actually don't think I've asked this before, but is Ylvis still on air? Or are they just doing these like I don't think they're on air right now, right? They're just doing like projects like the Ylvis Sogne project, right? I think that's the only thing they're doing nowadays. They're not doing a TV show, like a talk show anymore, right? If I understand correctly. But anyways, if you want to request a video just like Kevin did, then go over to Buy Me a Coffee or click this button right over here. And if you want to watch more of my Ylvis playlist, click over here. Take care for now, guys. Bye-bye.